Alright guys, you're welcome again to my YouTube channel, and you're welcome to this particular video where I'm going to be showing you how to build a logistic or a shipping website, just like what you are seeing on the screen. So this amazing website you are seeing here, you can see all the pages have been optimized. You can see the home page, the about us page, the services, our history, our frequently asked questions, contact us, and the track your order. Right, you can see the button here, so you can see how the page is. Alright, warehouse servicing, air freight service, ocean freight service, and road. Okay, you can see connecting air and road and sea. So all the pages on this particular website have been optimized. Alright, if you scroll down again, you see you can see where it say get a free quote. You can put in your name and your email and you can submit now. Alright, if you come down again, you can see other services are core features. Alright, you can see our core features, transparent pricing, warehouse storage, real-time tracking. I'm going to be showing you that. Then you can see security for cargo and easy payment method. Alright, you can see all of this. You can see this one. You can see, alright, you can see how responsive the website is. Alright, if you also go down a bit, you can see every other part of it. You can see this one says, alright. So I'm also going to be showing us how you can edit everything you are seeing on this particular, alright, in this particular website. Alright, you can see this one here. Then this is the footer here. Now from here, I'll show you how you can edit the header and every of the pages here. But before we go ahead and do that, let me show you how the tracking or the track page look like. We click on track your order here. Alright, do that. So you come here, input your tracking number. So I'll just put it there, click on track. Alright, you can see how it looks like. You can see the tracking number. You can see you can download it as a PDF. Alright, you can start download it here. You can switch. Can you see that now? You can switch from day. You can see to night. You can see how it looks like. Then if you come down, you can see the sender information, the receiver information. Then once again, you can, right, if you come down a bit, you can see the agent. You can see you can assign an agent. You can attach a picture of the agent. You can contact the agent via the number. Right, you can also come down and see the map. All right, you can see the movement on the map. You can see that here the movement. The green indicated the receiver location, while the blue indicate the current location of it. Then while this red package, the red this thing you are seeing here shows the sender location. Right, this is sender location, the receiver location, and the current location. You can also switch from road map to satellite. Right, you can see how it looks like on the satellite. You can see how it looks like on the road map. Okay, then if you go ahead now, you say okay, maybe you want to print out or you want to send somebody the receipt, you can just go ahead and share. You can share the tracking. You can share the tracking and you can download it as a PDF and then give to your client, whoever you want to send the receipt to. You can do that. So that is for the tracking. Then moving ahead, you can see the about us page. Let me show you the about us page. Okay, this is the about us page. You can see that. You can see our services. You can see our history. You can see every other part of the website. Okay, now before we go ahead and show you how you can edit this website, you can build this website, let me quickly show you what we have here. If you are coming across our YouTube channel, right here is our YouTube channel. We have amazing stuff here teaching you all kinds of tech skills. That's the reason why we said you can learn, you can earn, and you can also thrive online. So basically what we do on our YouTube channel is to show you different skills you can learn. You can also show how you can earn money with these skills and how your business can thrive online. So all you need to do is to go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so, and make sure you smash that notification bell so you always be notified whenever videos like this are posted. So we'll show you all the steps, all the things you need to do step by step without jumping any of the part or any part of the video rather. So now, having said that, let's go ahead and view this website as for yourself or for your client. Okay, so having said that, but before we go ahead and do that, let me quickly show you every other part of the website, how you can edit, how you can change your logo, how you can edit the header, the footer, and the various parts of the website. All right, so go back to this is the dashboard here. Remember I said this particular website you are seeing here was built with WordPress. Okay, was built with WordPress, and you can see this is the WordPress dashboard. So from here, if you want to edit the header and every other part, if you come down, you can see the geoport option. All right, you click on the geoport options. You come down here, you can see where it says logo and icon settings. You can change your logo here. You can change your icon. So it means you have to create two different logo. All right, you have the one with white text, and you have the one with the blue text. So it means you are putting two logo here. Okay, so once that is for the logo settings, then you come to the breadcrumb settings. So if you want, you can see the breadcrumb settings. This is what I mean by breadcrumb. Let me show you. Can you see this background picture? All right, this is the breadcrumb. So if you also don't want it, you can go ahead and remove it. You can see where it says turn off. If you don't want it, you can also change the image there. Okay, so you come down to switcher setting. The anything we are doing there, no, there's nothing there. Then you come to your top header. You can see header, this thing. Then if you come to the top, here is the top header. You can see this part here. You can see info and quotes, refund policy, and all of this. So you can come here. If you don't want it, you can see this one. If you don't want it, you can remove it. You can see this one there that says career and terms and conditions. If you also don't want it, you can turn it off. It's very easy. And I tell you, you can see the part that says your email and phone number, which is what you are seeing here. Let me show you. All right, so let me show you. If you come down here, where is the email and phone number? You can see the email, you can see the phone number, you can see let's chat. So if you come here, if you don't want it, you can just turn it off. That is under, if you come to your geoport options and you come to header top settings, and you can see all of that part here. Very easy. Then if you also want to insert your social media icons, your Facebook, your Instagram, and the rest of them, you can see this is Facebook. If you want to add it, you have to go and copy your Facebook link, attach it there. All right, so let me close this. Then this one is what? This one is for Twitter. Twitter, you can attach your Twitter there. You can also attach your, what is this one? Okay, if you want to change the icon, you can also change the icon. Let's say, for example, I want to add Instagram. I can change this to Instagram, and it will fit in perfectly well, So if you want to attach, which one is this one again? LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, you can attach all your social media icon. All right, now moving ahead, let's go ahead and show how to. This part I just showed you is for the header. You know what I mean by the header? This part here that contains all of these things you are seeing is the header. Okay, so let's come down again. If we still come down to the header, you can see a header style setting. You can see the different type of header here. You can see the different type of header. This is the particular one we are using. If you want this one, you can switch. Okay, so let's check the menu. Let's check the menu. You can see, come to the menu. You can see this track order button. This thing you are seeing here, track order. This particular button you are seeing. So if you are using, if you come over to this one, if you click on the menu, you can see the different menu there. So click on the track. So it means now that you have to copy your track page link and insert it here. All right, so what you need to do, if you are using it for yourself or you are building it, so just put your domain name there. Remember, I'm using a subdomain. Sorry, I'm using a folder. So if you are using a subdomain or you are using a main domain, copy the link and insert it here. It's very easy, very easy. And you can also change it. Remember, look at the icon here. You can see this icon that looks like a vehicle. You can change it if you want. So if you also want to change it, this is it here. You can click on add or remove icon. Very easy. All right, then come down to your menu color. You can see your menu color. So basically, you just have to take your time and go through all these geoport options. So just take your time and go through everything, because this part you can do your basic settings and everything will go well. All right, so moving ahead, after showing you all of that, this is for the header. Now let's go ahead and work on the footer. Here's the footer. If you also want to work on the footer, you come down to, there's footer option here. All right, you can see the footer. Where are you? Footer. This is the footer option. You can see the copyright footer. All right, if you come down, you can see where is it? This part that says, where are you? Copyright 25 geoport thing developed by Jospond. So you can come here and edit it. So you can see develop, or you can come here and say, where are you? Okay, you can see, okay, I can just come here and remove all of this. I can say developed by Lexiva Solutions. All right, then can leave it like that. Then I'll go ahead and save. So if the background, remember the background is blue. So if I want the text color to be white, I can select white. You can see that. Then I'll go ahead and click on save changes. So once I click on save changes, automatically it will take effect. So let me reload this. You can you see now? Team developed by Lexiva Solutions. You can see the background. The background is blue and the text is showing white. That is how easy it is to work on that. Now let's go ahead again. Then you have other things you can edit here. You can see the footer style one. Where is the footer style one? Right, footer style one is there. Footer style two is also there. Then you can see the default. Let's see. Now you can see the default. This is particular one that is there. So you can select the one that you want. If I select this one now, you can see if I select that one and I click on save changes, right, you can see this is the one I selected. So if I come here now, remember this was the one that I was showing before. If I refresh this now, automatically that will change. Okay, so you can see that automatically to change. All right, so this is what is there and this one is also there. Okay, then you save your changes. Now moving ahead, so if you come back, if you now want to edit this footer here, right, if you want to edit all these item that is here, you come back to your dashboard. Sorry, come back to your dashboard, come to appearance. Where is appearance? Here is appearance. You can come to appearance and come to widgets. You can see widget here. You can see widget. Right click on it and open in a new tab. Okay, so you can see to load up. Then from there you can come back to where we have. You can see the footer widget. Right, you can see the footer widget. You can see widget one. Right, you can edit. You can see the logo there. You can change it. Then you can see widget two pages. You can see all the pages. I'm going to be showing you that right away. Then you can come to widget 3 working time zone. You can see the working time zone, which is what you are seeing here, working time zone, and Monday to Friday 7 blah blah. You can just edit all these things you are seeing here. You can also change the logo. You can change the write-up. Remember, you can do all of these things. For the footer one, you can see the logo there. You can see the write-up. All right, you can see the write-up. This write-up you can edit it there. Then also you have what is called your social media icon, your Facebook, your Twitter, Behance, and YouTube. You can also edit all the icons here. All right, cancel. So if you don't want the link to be working, you can just write. Let's say, for example, as for this YouTube, I can just select it like this and put hash. So once I do this now, when they click on the link, it will not take them anywhere. Okay, that is how easy it is. Every of the parts you are seeing in this website have been designed for you, so it's easy for you to navigate, edit, and customize. All right, so moving ahead, you can also come down here. You can also change this. So then this is the last footer 4. You can also work on it. The recent post. Remember I showed you earlier on. Where is it? You can see this part that says the recent post. Okay, so you can come here and you have it there. So just customize it. So I'm only talking about the post. Okay, I'll show you this about the post. So having talked about the footer, now let's go to the tracking page, or the track page rather. So if you come, the tracking page or the track page is controlled by this track mega ship, right? You can see the track mega page. So if you want to create a new shipment, let's click on all shipments first of all. You will see that there's only one shipment here. So if you want to add a new shipment, you can go ahead and click on add new shipments. Right click on add new shipment. So good, you can see that this automatically the tracking number will be generated for you. Then you can come to my carrier, you can select it, click on it, you can see. All right, you can put your track if you want to. Right, you can see the different carrier. You can see trap ship, that's the carrier status. Right, is it on transit, is it processing, is it out for delivery, delivered on hold, pending pickup, failed delivery attempt, and all of that. So I can say out for delivery. Then the estimated delivery date, I can set it. Okay, when are you supposed to get it? I can say okay, by April 20th. You can say by April 20th. Then you cannot see the sender information, you cannot see the receiver information. Most especially, you have to put the person's name, the address, the email, and the phone number, and the person's and the sender country. You must select the person's country. Then you also do the same thing for the receiver, the name, email address, the name, address, email address, phone number, and the country. All right, don't forget and the country. Then you come down the package details. the item and the weight, the dimension, the freight. All right, is it by land, by sea, or you can see is it by land, air, sea, express, any of these things. So you can select that. Then this the service type, is it standard, is it overnight, is it express, is it economy? Right, you can also select, is it a next day delivery? You can as well do that. Then you now put the image of the package you want to deliver. Right, the image of the package you want to deliver. So if it's a brand envelope, you just get the image of a brand envelope and put it there. Then now come here, you can see where it says the current location of that item, current location. So if it's probably you are sending from Nigeria to any part of the world, you can say, okay, current location Nigeria, current location Ghana. Then the last time the last time the date of the item, as at the time you are choosing the current location, the date at the time, you also fill it in. Then the status, right? The status, you also fill it in. If it's active, you type active. Then who is the agent in charge? All right, who is the agent? You put the agent name, you put the agent phone number, and you put the agent picture. All right, you can see the way I'm explaining it now. You put the agent name, the agent phone number, and the agent picture. Okay, you fill all of these things. So once you are done filling in, then this automatically becomes the tracking number. This automatically becomes the tracking number. So if you also come to the settings, if you come to the settings here, you can see you can do some basic settings. You can see you can put the background color, the font, and every other thing. You can do some settings. You can see the tracking. All right, so this is just a little settings. These are colors, and you can for this part you don't have anything to do here. All right, I don't really have anything to do here. So just work on the add shipment and you are good to go. All right, so we have talked about that. Now let's go ahead and work on the different pages of the website. Remember, this is the website here. You can see this is the website, the home, the about, the services, our history, fact, and contact us. So if you come to your dashboard, come to pages, you can see pages here. Where are you? Pages. Then you click on all pages. Click on all pages. You can see about us, which is this particular one here. You can see the about us here. So it means now that if I want to edit anything on this about us, I will do it from here. So I'll come to about us, I will click on edit with Elementor. All right, edit Elementor. Then if I want to edit now, let me just work on one or two. So I'll click on open it in a new tab. I'll come down again. I want to work on the contact us. I'll also open in a new tab. All right, I want to work on the FAQ, which is frequently asked question. I'll open it in a new tab. Then I want to also work on the home. This is the home here. All right, I'll also open it in a new tab. The one that carries front page, I'll also open it in a new tab. Very easy. Then you can see our history. Okay, I'll also open in a new tab. Then go ahead again, show that one again. I think that's basically all. So now let's see what we have here. All right, it's still loading. All right, as you can see, it has opened up. So now if I want to get my content, all right, for this particular website, is very easy. All right, all I need to do is to go to ChatGPT and get all the content I need. All right, get all my content from ChatGPT. It's very easy to do. All right, so you can see that now. So I'll come over to this part here. So I want to get my content for this particular one. So I'll go to my ChatGPT. All right, you can see ChatGPT. I can come here and say, okay, write. Where are you? Okay, respond to me. Okay, I'll say write. It's not responding. All right, so okay, write detailed. So write detailed content on geoport logistics. Where are you? Logistic company. All right, okay, I can see write detailed content on about us. Okay, on about us page for okay. So as I do this now, hit on enter. So you're going to see that it will give me all the content for that particular page. So if I want to write for the services, I'll go ahead and do the same thing. So you can see it has given me the content. And now look at the vision and mission. So I can copy this. All right, so I copy this now, come back to where I'm working. Now this is the mission and this is the vision. So I can just click any part I want to work on. I'll just click on edit. Already I have our mission, so I'll just remove this, paste, simple. All right, you can see the content there. So if I feel maybe the content is too long, I can as well go there and remove some part of, right? So you can see, remove that part, make it very, very simple. So I also come back to my ChatGPT to get my vision. You can see a vision there, right? You can copy, then come back here, right? So click on it, then you can see also remove this, so you can paste. It's that easy, not that difficult. So any part like this one here now, I can remove this video icon, so I can remove it. So shit. So if I want to bring it back, I just press Ctrl Z to come back. Right, Ctrl Z. Alright, so you can see everything is back. So if I want to also edit this part here now, intro, click on this. I want to remove that intro. Where are you? Alright, I can just remove this part here. Remember I said any part you want to work on, you must make sure you click on it. So like this part now, you can also edit. If you want to edit now, must click on it. Alright, remember my ChatGPT has given me the content. So I'll just be copying and pasting, copying. So I'll get this one now here. So you can see that. So I'll also come here. Okay, I'll also come here. Where are you? Copy and come here. Okay, so I'll just Control A, Control V. Alright, so the same thing I will do here. So if you need quality pictures for your design, you just go to this site called Free Pick. It's called Free Pick. Freepick.com. This is it here. Freepick.com. You can get quality pictures from this particular website. Alright, so let's move ahead. Then come down, so you can also see all of this. This is a blog post, so I'll show you how you can make a post. You can see our sponsors, you can leave that part. So with this we are done. Just publish. Once you are done with all these basic settings or basic editing rather, you can publish. Then you go to the next one that says is this about us or contact us good. So you can see the email. I click on this. I want to remove this email. You can see the email that is there. Remove this email and put geoport.com. You can see that as I'm typing it's already changing. Yeah, I can also change the phone number. Right, you can see the phone number there. So you can see +234. Alright, you can see that. Then I can also come here too. Alright, so plus this. So you can see that. Then here you can put your address. Very, very simple, and it's very, very easy to edit. Here's a form, so you can also work on all of this. So once you are done, remember to always publish. Remember to always publish. So you take your time and edit all the pages that is here one by one. Now you can see that I've done the about us services. This is contact us rather. So if you come here now, you can see the, I think this is the, this is the home page. So if you want to edit it now, you can see this picture here. Right, you can see this fly that is taking off. You can see the image. So if you want to get image, you can check the side I told you of. Okay, so you can see where it says request a quote here. Now if you click on this request a quote, it's not working. So I can copy this, I can come here and copy this contact us. I can copy the link. So this part that says request a quote, I'll remove it and paste the link. So once they click on request a quote, you take them to the contact us page. Yeah, this one that says learn more, I can remove this learn more and say track package. Right, you can say track package. Okay, so I'll copy the tracking number here, the tracking link here. Right, then I'll put it here. Very easy. So once they click on track package, automatically to load them to the part where they have to insert their tracking number and they are good to go. So you can also edit this one here. Right, you can also edit this right up. Every part you are seeing here is easy for you to edit. If you want to edit it, just click on it. anyone you want to edit. So I want to remove this video icon, right click on it and select delete. Okay, so you can see every other part. Then get your content from ChatGPT. So it's a matter of copying and pasting, replacing and deleting where necessary. So right, if you also, this is a, what is this one? This one is a toggle. All right, so if I click on it now, all right, you can see. So if any part you click on, so you can see the title, you can see the content. So you can also get it from ChatGPT. You can come to ChatGPT and say, okay, give me, all right, I'll come to ChatGPT now, say, let me bring this one here. All right, if I come to ChatGPT and say generate FAQ, it's called FAQ session content. Right, generate FAQ session content. It will go ahead and give me that. So it's very easy. So hold on. All right, let me see. Is it loading? Should be loading. All right, so let me network. All right, so once you click on this, generate a FAQ. Oh, sorry, FAQ is FAQ. Yeah. So it will give you the content. So once it gives you the content, just a matter of you come here, remove the one that is here, paste, and it will give you the heading and the content, the heading and the content. All right, so I can also come here and publish this part. Okay, so once I'm done, I can go ahead. Now remember, I said I'm going to be showing you how to make a post. If you want to make a post, is go to your dashboard. There is a dashboard. You can see post here. I can see post, but then you can see the post here. If you want to make post, you can see where it says add new post. All right, you can see where it says add new post. I think I'm going to be making one or two. Let me also show you. Let me make one post and see. All right, come here. Very easy. You can always get your content from ChatGPT. Let me refresh this. You can always get your content from ChatGPT. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, still loading. All right, so let me click on this, press enter. Hit okay, good. So can you see that now? It generated the content, the FAQ, generated the FAQ session content. So you can see that now. Can you see all the FAQ? All right. So if I also go ahead again and say generate for this particular one now. All right, for this particular one, I want to make a post. I say, okay, give me. All right, I'll come here. I'll say, okay, I think I'll say, give me a blog post, a blog topic. Give me a blog topic. Okay, all right, it will give me a blog topic. What is it? Go ahead now. What is it not? What's this topic? All right, so you can see different blog topic. Good. So now I want to say, okay, 5 common logistic mistakes businesses make and how to avoid them. Now I can come here now, copy this. It's not responding now. All right, I'll copy this now. Come here. Okay, I'll paste it. I'll say write a blog post on this. Write a blog post. Write a blog post on this. Okay, write a blog post on this. So I'll click on enter. Okay, so I'll write a blog post on this. Okay, so you just hold on and see what we are going to get at the end of the day. Okay, so you can see now, you can see the content. So if I want to make a post now, I'll come here, copy. Here is the title. Copy this. Okay, I'll copy that. Right click. Okay, I'll copy this. Then come to my page here. Then click on. I'll come here. I'll say post. I'm talking about post now. Come to add post. All right, come to add post. Then I will drop the title here, sorry, the topic there. Okay, can you see that now? Then I will now come down here and copy the content. So you can see the content. So that this thing is just not just loading well for me. All right, so I'll copy this. I'll just come here, copy. Then I'll come back to this part here. All right, can you imagine? All right, so I'll come here. Okay, so that is it. So let me delete it. So you can see the title there. Then I can come to this category and call it blog. All right, call it uncategorized. Then I'll come here and attach a picture. All right, then look for one picture here. So just let me say let me add this. Then I'll click on this. So I'll go ahead and make a post. All right, go ahead and make a post. So that is how you make a post on your blog website. So automatically the post will appear. All right, the post will appear. Let me open this in a new tab. All right, so the post will appear under your blog section here. All right, under your blog section, you're going to see it here. Can you see the post? Can you see the post I just made? Can you see now? So this is the post. So you can create more. You can delete. So if I want to delete any post now, I'll come to post and click on all posts. All right, click on all posts. You can see the one I just made. Then this particular one is showing hello world. I will trash it. All right, can trash it. Yeah, so I now have three posts or four posts. So you can make more posts. If you want to add more, you can keep on adding posts to your blog website. Then if you come here, the last thing I'm going to talk about here is that if you want to edit, if you come to your settings, I'll come to settings, come to general settings here. All right, you can see my blog, my WordPress blog. So I don't want it. I'll just come here, geoport logistics. All right, logistics. All right, so then I'll come here and remove this leading, okay, let me say leading logistic company. Okay, so you can do that. So once you are done, remember to save change. So with this, I tell you your website is fully ready. Then you can come to your appearance, and check your menu. Right, the menu has been set, so you don't need to do anything here. You can see the menu here, so that has been set. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can access this and go through all the steps I've just showed you in this video. Okay, I'm going to be showing you that right away. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to be showing you how you can do this step by step and how you can also have access to this particular file I used in this video. So now, having said that, let's go ahead and build this thing. All right, so I'll go to my cPanel. All right, so go to my cPanel. It's my cPanel. So let me just go to my cPanel. So here's my cPanel. All right, so go to my cPanel. So let me just go to my cPanel here. Okay, it's loading. So log in. All right, so here's my cPanel. So from here, I'll scroll down to where I'll go to my file manager. Here's my file manager. Here's my file manager. All right, here's my file manager. So come over to this part, then come to where I'll go to public underscore HTML. Open. I'm using a folder, right? I'm using a folder. So for you, you can just create the domain name and go ahead and build this particular project. Okay, this particular project. So I'm using a folder. So I'll just come here, click on folder and call it geoport. All right, then I'll click on create a new folder. All right, this is the folder. Go ahead, open the folder, click on upload. Okay, click on select files. Okay, so this is it here. So just open. So I'll wait for it to upload. You can see the file is uploading. So just hold on for the file to upload. So once it's done uploading, you can go ahead and create a database rather, and we are good to go. So let's hold on for the file to upload. Okay, you can see the file is done uploading. So I'll just click on go back. All right, so you see the file here. So I'll right click on it, then select extract. Right, you can see there's select extract. I will click on extract. Then I'll click on extract files. Okay, while that is extracting, I'll go ahead and create my database. Alright, so go ahead and create my database. So come over to this part, type in database. Okay, you can see that type in database. I can see database wizard. Right click on it. Okay, then I'll come here and type in, let me just call it geoport. Alright, BB. Okay, so just go ahead and click on this. Right, so the same thing. Okay, I can just type geoport. Alright, let me just copy this. Okay, let me just type it geoport. Alright, very easy. Then I'll copy this one now. Okay, so copy, come over to this part, paste, paste. Okay, then I'll click on create user. Click on create user, very easy. Alright, so come here, copy this. So copy this one now. Then I'll come over. Remember, I'm extracting my files here, so it has been extracted. I'll click on close. Okay, click on close, good. Then reload this. You can see all the files now. So come to where I have wp-config, right click on it, select edit, then edit files. Okay, so come here, remove this. Where is, so I'll paste it. Okay, so I think I need to, so let me copy this. Okay, so I'll also remove this one, then paste, then remove this one, then paste, remove this, and all right, so I'm good to go. Then save changes. Remember the data, the file, the SQL file is inside here. You can see the SQL file here. If you open the file, you will see the SQL file, PBF. You see the SQL file. So I'm going to be uploading the SQL file here. So I'll click on all privileges, then I'll click on next step. Okay, good. So come over to this part now. So I'll come here, then I'll select, I'll search for PHP admin. You can see the PHP admin. All right. So once I do that, good. So you can see geoport BB. This is it. All right. So I'll click on import. Okay. Then I'll click on. Remember, I said this is my file here. I can download it. Just click on download to download to my system. All right. PB. Okay. You can see they already have it. I think I already have it before. So I just click on select. Then click on choose file. Then I'll go to my download. It's already there. Okay. So you can see it in my download. This is the file here. Then I'll click on open. Then I'll click on import. Okay, so I'll wait for it to import. All right, you can see it has been uploaded. You can see all the file imported successfully. So what I'm going to do is from here, come to WPFT options, click on it. So you can, I'm going to change the name here. Remember, the name I'm using there is, let me just check it out. So this is it's geoport. So the domain name is this. So /geoport. So okay, so I'll remove this part. Okay, so I'll remove this, then copy, come back here. So I'll click on edit. So I'll edit this one. All right, so remove this, then paste /geoport. Okay, I can copy this. Then I'll click on go. Then come back to the next one. Remove this, paste. All right, so then click on go. Okay, so consider, then I can also come to this part here. So you can edit this blog name and my WordPress blog. You can as well leave it. Then this part that has this email, so I'll also edit it. So I can paste something like this here. Okay, so I can come here, remove this. Then I'll click on go. All right, so that is then done. So now I can come back to users. Where are you, users? So that I can get my login details. So I come here. So I can remove this and paste. Then I can come here, remove this, copy this, come here, paste. Then remember this is the username, so I can come here now. Bin. Alright, so select the listing you are selecting is MD5. Where is it? MD5. So select this, then go ahead and click on go. Okay, so we have done that. Now let's go ahead and test run what we have just done. So I can paste this / geoport. Alright, so let's see what we have now. Let's see what we have. So you can see our website is up and running. Now if you want to log in to the backend, so you just put / WP, alright, dash admin. Alright, to log into the admin there. So you click on that. So once you have done that, then come here, input your information. Alright, so copy this. So copy that and remove this. Then click on, I will now click on go or login. So you can see I've logged into the backend. So once you log in, now the next thing you're quickly going to do is to come to settings. Alright, come to settings. Alright, come to settings here. Let me close this. Come to settings, then come to permalinks. Alright, good. So you can see it's showing on date and name. Date and name. So I need to search the word post name. Click on post name. Then scroll down and save changes. Also do it again. Be sure, then save it again so that everything can flow. Alright, so with this, you can see that our website is up and running. So you can now customize and go ahead and deliver everything that I showed you earlier. And before you know what's happening, you have delivered your full project for your client and you are good to go. So you can use this, you can design it for yourself, you can design it for your client, and you can charge as much as you can. Alright, so now that I've shown you this, if you need access to this particular template and this file which I used in this video, all you need to do is to send me a message via the number showing in the description of this video. If you click on the below the video, you will see a description. Click on it, you will see my WhatsApp number. Send me a DM and I will show you how you can get access to the particular file. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. And if you have any challenge, drop in the comments and I will respond to you all. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you in my next video.